Hey, welcome to my Tourette's life, where you will see my Tourette's and you will see my life. Saturday, a day for the Sats. Walking on the sunny Sunday. It's a Sunday and it's sunny and there's sun. It's Monday. I really decided to start off my week by having a doctor's appointment where I got a shot and now my arm feels messed up. You know, I was just really glad that my coughing tic wasn't acting up in the waiting room, but then at some point I was thinking, oh, my coughing tic isn't acting up, and then it started to happen. Oh my gosh, I've been like so productive today. I applied to multiple jobs, done a bunch of Life's a Twitch stuff, yada yada yada, and I just like took a nap. Yeah. Today is the last day of Tourette Syndrome Awareness Month, so I'm sporting my Tourette Association tee. It's teal. We're going teal Monday this week. I forgot to mention that over the weekend, my nail pushing together tic like messed my nails up, but the one that got like really messed up is already looking kind of better, so heck yeah.
It was messed up, but it's already started growing back. So that's cool. You can kind of see where the things happened.
Sometimes, you know, my tics really feel like they own the place. The place being my body. Hey Tyler, what's your favorite spice level?
Hot?
Well, I like anything that's even close to as hot as you.
You've been digging this hot as you want lately.
Okay. My coughing tic has been rude to me yesterday and today. We hate to see it, especially in a worldwide pandemic. You know, because get this, not every stranger knows I have Tourette syndrome and that my coughing is a tic. So they might think that it is something else. Anyway, Tyler's in a really long meeting this morning, so we're chilling in the bedroom, as in like looking for jobs and watching YouTube, and that might be it. I just filmed my echolalia, echopraxia, and echoskepsy video that will be out on Monday, and watch out for it because it's a doozy, folks, as in it's really quite good. Hey Tyler.
Hey.
You make me happy when skies are gray. I was just thinking that like it's absolutely wild. When I was younger, I was on a bunch of medicines at a time, and now I'm down to one medicine daily, and then I have like 2 as needed medicines. It's really interesting how over time things change and you get to know your body and what it needs better, and it's a really good thing. Ha. Oh, and I'd also like to add that it's a lot of trial and error to get to this point. I was on a lot of different medicines over the years, like a lot. I just applied to some jobs and then had an anxiety attack about not having a job. I'm feeling better right now, but like it was not good time. Okay, it's much later now. I had a very anxious day, but I'm feeling a lot better right now, and I'm gonna go cook. I'm gonna chef it up. I'm gonna hit the grill. I don't own a grill, but yep. Good morning. Or is it? I'm in a bit of pain this morning, so I'm going to go focus on relieving that. I'm going to end the vlog here and keep advocating for Tourette syndrome, extend your advocacy to other topics, and thanks, Twitches! Bye!